And here I'm going to just show you how strong the tape is. That one single 8-inch piece of tape is holding up all 4 rubber back pieces of carpet tile you can see here. And then another test I did is grab some dumbbells. I grabbed a 25-pound dumbbell and then added an additional 25-pound to it. So you can see here it's lifting the 25-pound with the piece of tape, and then also the 50 pounds with a single strip of tape. So this is very durable tape. You don't have to worry about it. Now you can see the carpet does not move. It's very, very sticky and adheres to the floor. You can see here I'm pulling on the carpet and it is not coming off. You can get the carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com. Again, this is double-sided commercial grade tape. It works on any backing type. It's extreme strength, easy to install, residue free, moisture resistant, and that is at carpettiletape.com. And just so you know, these are heavy-duty rubber back carpet tiles. So these are the heavy, most durable carpet tiles you can get right now. So these are extremely heavy, and the tape, just one 4-inch piece of tape held up all 4 of these tiles. So once you install the tape under each of the connecting, where all 4 corners connect, it's not going to go anywhere. So your kids can play on it. If you have a lot of pets, you won't have to worry about it.